boats with 90 or more passengers on board collided and at least one boat capsized in river Brahmaputra in the northeastern Indian state of Assam. At least one person died while two others went missing after a machine boat capsized in the Brahmaputra river following a collision with a ferry in India's Assam. The mishap took place at around 4 p.m. on 8 September when the boat, named Ma Kamla, collided with a ship named Tipkai in the mighty Brahmaputra. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said the capsized boat had 90 passengers. The Assam State Disaster Management Authority said 87 passengers were rescued. The National Disaster Response Force and the State Disaster Response Fund are still involved in search operations. President Ram Nath Kovind and Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed grief over the boat accident. Sources say that Army too has joined rescue operations on 9 September. Meanwhile, three officials of the Inland Water Transport Department have been placed under suspension for alleged negligence of duty, while senior ministers admitted that there were lapses and the guilty will be punished.